of mine. This car makes a little less power than mine. No matter what, I slip up, spin, something, she makes me nervous. She gets out in front of me, and no matter what the hell I do to the car, I can't come around her. So.
My name's Tiana Weber. I'm 32. We're from Rancho Cucamonga, California.
Brandon Weber, 32, also Rancho Cucamonga, California, also. High school sweethearts. We met in 2000 and graduated high school in 04 together. Got married a little bit after that. Always been racing competitive through our entire relationship. Yeah, since we've known each other. She used to have the faster cars early on, and then I would build something and she would, and we just picking at each other just back and forth all the way through our racing career. Fast forward now, 2019 now, we've owned our own business, Accelerated Racing Solutions, for 3 years now. So now we professionally build cars and race them together. These are our 2 personal cars that we built for us to race with our customers. I can never beat her. It's like a superstition of mine. This car makes a little less power than mine. No matter what, I slip up, spin, something, she makes me nervous. She gets out in front of me, and no matter what the hell I do to the car, I can't come around her. So I'll get some hate for this, but the F-body chassis, that's your common chassis for the LS, I would consider garbage compared to these, factory 4-link suspension. This car is damn near stock suspension with a couple control arms and coilovers on it. It'll 60 foot all day long, probably in the 1.2s. There's no better chassis. They're lightweight, they're simple, you could just drop whatever the hell you wanted. They make all the parts. And so behind me is my 94 Ford Mustang. It is a car that I had in high school, same color. You could put them next to each other, they look similar. Exterior wise, real basic looking, small tire X275 drag radial car. It's got an LME 427 with a set of cathedral port trick flow heads on it. Holley high ram intercooler in the middle of that. Set of twin precision 7675s, a 2-speed power glide, pro torque converter, the factory 8.8 with probably 300,000 miles on it. Just the housing. Been low sevens, like 740 at about 190, quarter mile, 8th mile, 480s. We're looking to be in the 460 range if we could get it to do what we want it to do. This car will either grenade tires or stand up in a wheelie. So there's a fine line. The weather today is really going to help knock the horsepower down a little bit. It makes the easy 1800, so I need it down probably in that 1500 range to get the car to go out and not up.
So this guy is a LS9 stock bottom end. It does have a cam and West Coast ported heads. It does have a Kong Performance ported supercharger and snout on E85. Car has been 890s on the blower. I'm looking to run about 860s on the blower only today. I'm going to run the small tire class with this guy because I don't have a chute on it yet. So I'm looking to run like 550s in the 8th mile. Makes about 800 horsepower on the blower. It's a great little power plant that I'm just having some fun with.
I saw that sticker on there, handmade shirts. Some details on that.
So about
Burn.
That. So car had a T56 in it. I was shifting it. It was going 950s. My husband just got anxious and wanted to see what it would do with the power glide.
First pass down the track, it's only on quarter mile one time. It went 890 at 155. And I was on the foot brake. We weren't using the trans brake yet. So I have the whole setup still sitting there. I put it all back in.
My
so
clutch pedal's still in there.
It's still there.
Because it's just a quick, easy swap for me to go back to shifting. But this weekend it does have fun.
I knew he was going to say something.